Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to K&A's Family Homestead. Back again with the vlog. This is number 4. Right now I'm here at work. It's about maybe 5.5 hours left before I am out of here. So I'm just taking a break right now, get a breather. And today is a busy day here. And so yeah, I definitely need to take a break. But I definitely don't want to do no video recording too much here, but I will definitely get back to you once I'm out of here, guys. So stay tuned, and I will be right back. We still have about 2 more hours before I go home. But we've been on a tornado watch here in Massachusetts. We are experiencing some weather changes here. It could be the tornado, not sure, but let me show you what I'm looking at. Well, I'm praying that it's only just the winds right now. Right now, the building, the power went out. There's no lights, and we're in there in the dark at the moment. And just decided to go outside, see, what's going on. And there you see a bunch of wind is going on. The clouds and it's turning colors. So, hey guys, I don't know what's going on, but I'll definitely keep you guys updated. All right. Doesn't get more real than this. We got power lines down, and I am actually here trying to do a 3-point turn with wires all around me. Guys, wish me luck. Power lines is down. I can't believe this. I can't believe this. Oh man, all right, so I just finished calling 911 and see if they can get somebody over here to block it, because, well, me driving up there, I didn't see the power lines until I started looking around, and, then decided to try to back up, and I seen the power line down, literally so close to my car, and that is dangerous. So I did call 911 on that. Oh man. Have some work to clean up. Chicken coop is okay. Might have to fix some fencing on the other side and get this tree off of it. Alright guys, I am here. I made it safe. My phone got cut off. I don't have no kind of service. I have no kind of room left, and it's crazy. I mean, all the animals here are safe, thank God. Thank God I made it safe. The trees are swaying back and forth, and that's what I'm scared of. These are very tall pine trees, And thank God I cleared mostly all of them, but we still have so many behind me that is just so big. And if that falls, look at that big, oh my gosh. All right, I'm about to go inside. Guys, crazy vlog. I didn't expect this, but till next time, I'll talk to you later. God bless, guys. Take care. Stay safe.